Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable Force Dark Mode on your Samsung Galaxy S23. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our settings, and then what we need to do once we are on settings, we need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on developer options. If you don't have developer options enabled, I've got a video on my channel showing you how you can do this. It's a really simple process. So once you have developer options, you can click on it right there. So once you have clicked on developer options here, what you need to do now is just simply scroll down the page until you see the option that we are looking for. And in today's video, it will be Force Dark Mode. So if we keep scrolling, it's quite far down the page. And then what you can do is if we keep scrolling down here, you will see it in a couple of seconds. And then as you can see, Force Dark Mode is located right there in the middle of my screen. So what you need to do now is just simply toggle this on. And then once you have toggled this on, that will mean that Force Dark Mode is then enabled. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.